Hello everyone, welcome back to the JavaScript snippet series for everyday JavaScript development. So in this snippet, let's see how we can handle the outside click of an element in vanilla JavaScript. So what we want to achieve is we want to trigger an event whenever we click outside of this red box. Okay, and if we click inside of the red box, nothing should happen. So let's dive into the code. So first of all, we will make sure that our function or our snippet runs only when the HTML is completely mounted on the DOM. Otherwise, we won't get the instance of that element, that node, and we will see an error. Next, we have created a function onClickOutside. This function takes the ID of the element and the callback which needs to be run whenever the outside click happens, right? Next, in there we have a event listener on the click of the entire document. So wherever on the entire document, if any click happens, this will be triggered. In there, we are checking if the element that we have, if that element contains our target. And if that's not the case, call the callback, which means do what you want to do if it is an outside click. Okay, so first we need that element. So here we have taken that element with its ID. And now we'll call this function. And that is all. Now let's see this in action. If I click inside the red box, nothing is happening, you see. But if I click outside the red box, we get our console. Click outside the red box, this console, you see. So this is working. So the point to be noted here is this line of code is the main thing in this entire snippet. So what we are actually doing here is we are checking if this element, this red box, contains the clicked element on the document. Wherever we clicked, if that clicked element is contained inside this element, it means that the click element is inside the box. And if it is not, which we are checking with the bang operator, it means that it is outside of the red box. And if it is outside, go ahead and call the callback function.